Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Brave browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature forces Brave to always use secure HTTPS connections instead of HTTP, which helps protect your privacy and improve your online security. So let's get started. First open Brave browser and then click on this one triple line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and click settings, and in the left sidebar select shields. On the right under shields you will find upgrade connections to HTTPS. Click on the drop down beside it and select here a strict option. That's it. Now Brave will automatically try to upgrade all websites from HTTP to HTTPS. If a website does not support HTTPS, Brave will display a warning before loading it. This ensures that your browsing stays secure whenever possible. That's all about this video. Bye.